Hello everyone, welcome back to Bro Trade. This is day 17, I think.
16.
This is day 16, I think, of learning how to analyze gold and DXY. This is your host Red,
This is your host, Blue.
and let's start now. Yesterday we gave a trade, it started to range a little, and then it took our SL and went till TP. Well, as you can see, after the Monday's gap up opening, market has started to go in a little bit of, as you what can I say? It has gone in a little bit of upside movement. As you can see, it went a little downwards, made a chalk right here, went upwards, and that is because of the US-Iran tensions, Iran war tensions. The relations are getting more worse, I believe, and that is why we have expected price to shoot upwards. Yo, Blue, can you check if Trump has
Yes.
posted anything?
Hmm.
Hmm. Yo, Blue, what has Trump said on Truth Social? Hello, hello.
Mm, yes, Trump
Oh,
hasn't
oh,
said anything. It There are votings going on, so he's talking about that.
oh, okay. Has he not said anything about the war?
Mm, he said 10 hours ago the deal is imminent as Iran talks restart. So negotiations start again, I guess. 10 hours ago.
Um, okay. Maybe. Well, yesterday there was a news of jobs, Jolt's jobs opening, I think.
Okay. Yes. Was that high impact?
Well, the jobs has, there was an expectation for the jobs to be around 7.4 million. But in June 2026, from June 2026, the jobs has been, decreased. Job openings have been decreased to 7.36. Now, what this means in the future is if there are fewer jobs opening, that means the economy is slowing down. That means that the dollar's power is going to weaken, and that is why the price of gold is going to increase because it is gold USD. So if gold's power weakens, then it is obvious that it is going to climb up gold. Right now, as you can see, before 7 a.m. No, before 7 p.m., you can see that market had already shown a bullish momentum heavily from, I guess, 3:30 p.m. till 7 p.m. You can see market has shown extremely high momentum. Yo, Blue, when does the
Yes.
session start for New York?
New York session.
Yes,
A New York kill zone or session?
New York session
Right.
in our time. I guess it is at 7 p.m. I don't know. Let me check. It is around 6 to 7 p.m. As you can see, before the jobs was released at 7 p.m. But before 7 p.m., when the London session and New York session start, before you can say New York sessions opening, or I guess yes, before New York sessions or that means going to decrease. The jobs that were going to be released were going to be decreased, which is why they showed heavy momentum, heavy. I'm saying what the fuck I'm saying manipulation. Yes, there was heavy manipulation right here. Can you see this, Blue?
Yes.
There was heavy manipulation right here, and after I guess 7 p.m. they manipulated gold to go downwards, but it shot upwards, taking out the high, I believe. Making forming the high.
Okay.
Right now, we can expect price to continue its bullish trend is because of the dollars and its bond, which means that obviously gold is going to rise because dollar is going to decrease. But the thing is there's something that I'm, kind of skeptical about is, the previous news that were being sent out, they all made, yo, Blue,
Yes.
but not the previous news that all the previous news that have been sent out, I guess, around these times, from since we started bruv trade, all the news that were being given out made gold a high bullish candle. They showed a highly bullish impact on gold. Do you remember?
Mm. Yeah.
Every
I
news,
think. I
there
think
was
I
no
don't
news.
remember it bearish.
Yes, I also do not remember any bearish news scandal. All the news scandals that have been formed have been bullish candles. And right
Hmm.
now, just as I guess FIFA World Cup ended, and I guess the Iran tension wars were started being once. Wait a moment. Can you see this? Can you see this? Price has been tapping inside here and has been consolidating right now. As you can see, it has started to, dry out the liquidity. There, prices started to range.
Hmm.
It is forming a kind of a flag or a wedge. I don't know. But the thing is, liquidity has started to dry up, and now the news are forcing gold to go upwards because of the US-Iran tension wars, the CPI, the George job opening, the etc. 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 All the news are forcing gold to go upside. However, As you can see, there have been sellers are heavily in control right now too, and that is why there is still an extremely high amount of ranging that is going to happen. I guess the ranging has started from July, 1st July, and is now, I guess, 5th August. There has been an entire month of price of gold ranging. Whichever side it breaks down, whichever side it breaks out to, it is going to break out heavily right now. What do you think, Blue?
Yes, I agree with you.
Well, right now I am thinking that price should, break out to the bullish side because of how much it is being manipulated to go upwards because of the news and everything. You Blue, can you go
Hmm.
to Truth Social and tell it, word by word what has he just said? What is
Okay.
from just said? Can you tell it word by word? What is this level? This is 4080 level. Okay. We go to the 1 hour time frame. 4080 level. Around right here. Okay, the high was formed, got taken out, and then went downwards. Okay, okay.
Okay, so Trump deal is imminent as Iran talks restart Monday on denuclearization Hormuz. And that's all.
What kind of deals?
Mhm. Iran talks with denuclearization and State of Hormuz.
Okay, yeah. Denuclearization. We are going to steal something. We will steal a weapon from them that they've already made. The fuck
Hmm.
kind of peace talks are they? We are going to denuclearize them. The fuck? What do you mean you're going to steal the weapons from them? So it is kind of, you can say the relations are worsened because which country wants to give up their nuclear weapons in exchange for peace? Nothing, nobody. Right now, price, I believe, is going to go upwards, target this high. That is what I'm believing. Let's go to the DXY quick and check it out. Okay, 7 p.m. of DXY. Okay, as you can see, due to the George job opening, there has been extremely high amount of selling before this, shown manipulation right here, and continued its downward side. Then then it got climbed up, taking the liquidity and it is continuing its path downwards. I believe the only thing that is being seen right here is if DXY, I believe, is going to range here a little bit. It should break downwards because of how much Iran is pursuing, or how much Trump is pursuing this war, and it is certain that dollar strength is going to weaken too.
Mhm.
Well, the thing is, the bonds are getting weaker. Bond strength is starting to get weaker. I think, yo, Blue, I think the next month or the month after that, the August or the September, there is going to be an interest rate decrease. Right now, it is being steady. Even though the inflation is out of control, it is still steady. After the Fed chairman Walsh, I believe, I don't know which was the previous one, but but he was removed, I guess, and the new one was hired in its place, and that guy is keeping interest rate steady even though inflation is increasing, and he should have decreased right now. We are seeing a negative impact on DXY because of that, even because according to you know laws of economics, if the interest rate is being kept steady, price should kind of consolidate. It is being price should consolidate for this much, but it is range getting high, then getting low. There is
Hmm.
no fixed thing. Right now it has started
Okay.
to range a little bit, but we are talking about 3 to 4 months. From 3 to 4 months, the interest rates have been steady. Right now, price is climbing upwards to the gap up opening that was formed, I guess, on the Tuesday opening. There has been a oh, gap up opening on Wednesday too. Yo, no, this is not a gap up
Yes.
opening, I believe. 3 a.m. Yo, what was happening? Okay, 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 okay. During today's gap up, today there has been a gap up opening. Price is going to retrace and tap into that, and then I guess fall downwards. Yo, blue.
Yes.
In my opinion, I guess I've covered everything. Am I missing something?
No, not missing
Right
anything.
now, I guess there was a trade that was being formed. Well, it has tapped inside. I believe there was a trade right. There was a buying from right here. Wait a second. No, 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 no. There had been a buying from, I guess, right around here,
Oh,
but we forgot to do that. The only buying I think I can believe right now is if it swings a little from here, taps in this, I guess, or this, and then go upwards. Right now there has not been a swing form right here, so I cannot fully think. My bias for today is bullish. It should take out the high today. I guess this is it for gold. I'm not expecting any trade right now. If I do find any, I will share it on the Discord group. Yo, Blue, am I missing something?
no, you're not missing anything.
Well, I guess that's it for today. We will join you, and if we get any trade, if we get any signal, we'll post it on the Discord group. So join that too. Please follow us for the next, I guess, trade. We'll start streaming again tomorrow. Well then, everyone, bye till now.
Bye.